Rawat's Guru's Guru, Shri Swarupanand Ji Beli Ram, Shri Swami Swarupanand Ji Maharaj, 1st February 1884 to 9th April 1936, was an Indian Guru of the Advait Math lineage. He was also known as Second Master, as Param Sant Ji or Second Guru, as Shri Nangli Sahib, and as Swami Shri Nangli Nivasi Bhagwan Ji. Born in village Teri in Kohad district, India, now in Pakistan, the young Beli Ram was initiated into the sannyasas in the early 1900s in Teri by Advaitanand Ji, who named him Swarupanand Ji. During Advaitanand's life, Swarupanand created an order of sannyasins, or renunciates, in northern India and founded several centers with the purpose of disseminating his master's teachings. In 1935, he moved from Punjab to Delhi. He died a year later on 9th April 1936 in the village of Nangli, near Meerut. 3. At the time of his death, Swarupanand had 10,000 followers and more than 300 ashrams in northern India. One of his disciples was Hans Ji Maharaj, who went on to establish the Divine Light Mission. 4. Rawat's followers claim that Swarupanand indicated Hans Ji Maharaj should be his successor, but this was not accepted by a group of Mahatmas that did not appreciate that Hans Ji was married, making him a householder, a status that in their views as renunciates was not acceptable. 5. While Swarupanand's views cannot now be known, it is certain that Hans Rawat did not inherit his followers, assets or ashrams but began his individual career as a guru from scratch. Swarupanand was succeeded by Shri Swami Vairagya Anand Ji Maharaj, also known as the Third Master. Another disciple, Shri Swami Ramanand Satyarthi Ji Maharaj, went on to establish Paramahansa Satyarthi Mission. Paramahansa Satyarthi Mission, under the guidance of Shri Nangli Nivasi Bhagwan Ji, Shri 1008 Swami Swarupanand Ji Maharaj, he attained supreme self-realization and vowed to publicize the knowledge of Satya for the welfare of humankind. Paramahansa Satyarthi Mission, PSM, was founded by Swami Ramanand Satyarthi Ji Maharaj with an aim to provide one institution to the world which is above all caste, creed, racial and financial differences. One institution named PM which teaches humanity as one religion above all other religions. The followers of this mission are of good nature and kind-hearted. The aim is to create a better society by teaching good qualities to people. The symbol of the mission is Hans, the swan bird, on the lotus flower, resembling to the quality of lotus flower. It remains in the mud but is still above it and untouched by the evils of the world. PSM believes in the principle of Vasudev Kutumbakam, God's one world. It believes all the human beings are equal in the eyes of God. All are His children and good people. PSM is led and done by Swami Keshwanand Satyarthi Ji Maharaj, Mission Sansthapak and Conservator, who took charge of this institution on 2nd July 1985. His primary teachings have been bhakti, worship, seva, service, prem, love, and Raja Yoga, meditation. This mission has its various centers across the country including Shri Nangli Sahib, Delhi, Haridwar, etc. Swarupanand Ji is sometimes confused with Anand Swarup of the Radha Somi lineage. A fakir has no particular religion. He is common to all. Wherever I go there will be no dearth of devotees, as I belong to all, and all belong to me. Jaikara bol mere Shri Guru Maharaj ki jai. For watching future more videos, please like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thanks.